If you're not interested in learning how to truly earn money, feel free to click away now. But if you're tired of those get-rich-quick promises and want real advice, stick around. I have 5 proven methods to make money from home, and I'll even share 2 things you should never do at the end. Freelancing and online services. Learn an in-demand skill, even something as simple as MS Excel, and offer your services online. Many businesses need help with data entry, creating spreadsheets, graphic design, writing, or other tasks. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer can connect you with clients. For example, if you become really good at Excel, you could create budgeting spreadsheets or data dashboards for companies. Start small, build a portfolio, get great reviews, and soon you'll be earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month, all from your newly acquired skill. Sell your notes. Are your notes well organized? If you're one of those students who takes great notes, turn them into cash. Compile your class notes or study guides into an ebook or PDF and sell them online. You can publish on Amazon Kindle or list them on an academic marketplace. Each time another student buys your notes, you earn money, turning your hard work into passive income. Stock photography. Do you enjoy photography or have a decent camera? You can sell photos to stock websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or 500px. Take high-quality pictures, maybe landscapes, city scenes, or creative shots, and upload them. Whenever someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty. Over time, even small earnings add up. It just takes a good eye for a shot and patience to build a large portfolio. Content creation using AI. AI tools are everywhere, and you can use them to create content without showing your face. For example, use ChatGPT to write a script, an AI voice generator for narration, and stock or AI-generated visuals for the background. Make faceless YouTube shorts, TikToks, or Instagram reels on trending topics. Life hacks, inspiring facts, quick tutorials, or anything people watch. Since these are short videos, you don't need fancy equipment. If your videos get popular, you can earn advertising revenue, sponsorship deals, or drive traffic to affiliate offers. Basically, making money while you sleep. AI animation. Dive into AI-powered animation. Tools like Midjourney or DALL-E can generate images, and apps like Kyber or free online editors can animate them. Create a short animated story, an explainer video, or a moving art piece. Then publish them on YouTube or social media, or offer them to clients. People love unique animated content. Plus, if you get hired for animation projects, they often pay very well. Over time, you can build a portfolio of animations that attract viewers and paying clients. Now, as promised, here are 2 crucial things you should never do. Stop believing in betting and fantasy apps. Those promise quick money but are more like gambling. You usually lose in the end. Don't chase money, but build a skill that attracts it. If you focus only on the money, you'll waste time on wrong paths. Instead, develop a valuable skill, like one of the ones above, and the money will come to you. You've just learned 5 realistic ways to earn money without gambling or risking it on luck. If this inspired you, I have one more thing for you. Check out my video, Change Your Life Today. No excuses. Give your life just 1 minute and change your life by watching it. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Thanks for watching, and start taking action today.